Okay, now here you can see I have removed that LED which was connected to pin number 6 of my Arduino board. Okay, now I have connected a DC motor. Alright, so I'm removing this LED. Alright, now I have to control the speed of this DC motor by this potentiometer. Alright, okay, now to represent its speed, let's create an indicator. Go to numeric and go to gauge, select a gauge which will represent the speed of your motor. Alright, okay, now let's change its scale, which is 0 to 10 to 0 to 100. Alright, because 0 will represent the minimum speed, which would be 0, and 100 will represent the maximum speed, which means in 255. Alright, okay, and if you want to add a percent character, so just to make it some interactive, go to advanced editing mode and click here, because we have to write character just ahead the string. Now click a single percent character. Now insert into format string. Alright, now click OK. Let's increase its size. Alright, so 0% mean my motor is off, 50% means my motor lies between 0 to 100, which is my motor is running at medium speed, and 100% means my motor is at full speed. Alright, now you have to make some changes in your code, that your potentiometer ranges from 0 to 255 and you are indicating your motor of speed 0 to 100. Alright, so first of all you need to convert this 0 to 255 into 0 to 100%. Okay, now if I open my calculator and if I multiply 255 into with 0.4, okay, so here I'll get a result 102, which is close to 100%. Alright, so for that, go back to your block diagram. Okay, so here's my block diagram. You don't need to change the code. Okay, all you need to multiply your 255 potentiometer, which is giving you 255, okay, with this speed of motor. So just right click on it, go to numeric and select multiply. Alright, now connect this multiply function with one end, which will give you 0 to 255 value, and other end will with constant 0.4. Alright, okay, now go back to your front panel. Alright, now click connect your Arduino with PC, search for your COM port, or just ignore it, which is my previous code which was running. Alright, now click hit. Alright, my potentiometer is at 0 and you can see my pin number 9. Just ignore this LED, it is connected to pin number 12 and I haven't write pin number 12 anywhere in the program. Alright, okay, if I rotate my potentiometer, you can see the speed of DC motor will increase gradually. Here comes 100% and also the full brightness of my LED, which is connected to pin number 9. Okay, and here it is the 50% medium speed of my DC motor and half brightness of my LED. Okay, so that's how you can adjust the speed and the brightness of your LED by this virtual potentiometer. Okay, so it's my maximum speed. So that was it. Now let's do our next exercise. Alright.